fertilizers and pesticides in farming for increasing their production of seed, wheat and rice. Some of them bought farm machinery. कुछ लोगों ने farm machinery purchase की. Some of them bought farm machinery like tractors and threshers, which made plowing and harvesting faster. Some of them bought farm machinery like they purchased tractors and threshers, which made plowing and harvesting faster. They were rewarded with high yields of wheat. Means उन्हें as a gift या reward मिला by using high yielding variety of seed, by using irrigation, tube wells, chemical fertilizer, pesticides in their land. They get reward with high yields of variety. उन्हें high yields of wheat, high yields of reward में उन्हें high yields of wheat मिला. Second, in Palampur, the yield of wheat grown from the traditional varieties was 1300 kg per hectare, and with high in Palampur, yield means the piece of land where we grow a crop in a single season, and in Palampur 13 kg per hectare grown हुआ wheat, and with using high yielding variety of seeds, the yield went up to 3200 kg per hectare. When Palampur जब ट्रेडिशनल सीड दे वर यूजिंग, तो उनके जो पेक पर हेक्टेयर उनका 1300 kg वीट ग्रो करता था. बट बाय यूजिंग, जब उन्होंने हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी ऑफ सीड्स का यूज़ किया, तो जो उनका यील्डिंग वेंट अप कितना हो गया, 3200 kg पर हेक्टेयर. 3200 kg पर हेक्टेयर. There was a large increase in the production of wheat. There was a large increase in the production of wheat. Really, it increases the production of wheat. Farmers now had greater amounts of surplus wheat to sell in the market. By using high yielding variety of seeds, farmers had greater amounts of surplus wheat to sell in the market. जब फार्मर्स ने इन पालमपुर जब फार्मर्स ने हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी ऑफ सीड्स का यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया, केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स का, पेस्टिसाइड्स का, इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज़, ट्रैक्टर, थ्रेशिंग, जब उन्होंने यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया, देन आफ्टर दैट उनके पास सरप्लस अमाउंट ऑफ वीट आने, उनका वीट का प्रोडक्शन बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो किया और उन्हें सरप्लस वीट उनके पास सेफ रहने लगा, एंड दे यूजेस सरप्लस वीट टू सेल इन द मार्केट एंड गेट द प्रॉफिट. लेट्स डिस्कस व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग एंड मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, एंड you can write by yourself what is the difference between the multiple cropping and modern farming method. And the following table shows the production of, look at the following table, page number 5, and table is 1.2, that is production of pulses and wheat in million tons. Comparisons of production of pulses and production of wheat in the years, like table shows the production of wheat and pulses in India after the Green Revolution in units of million tons. Plot this on a graph. Was the Green Revolution equally successful for both the crops? Discuss. क्या ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन सक्सेसफुल था अब बोथ दी क्रॉप्स के लिए, व्हीट एंड राइस? What is the working capital required by the farmer using modern farming method? What is the working capital they are using by the farmer using? जो मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड यूज कर रहे थे फार्मर, उनके लिए वर्किंग कैपिटल्स क्या क्या थे? एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स रिक्वायर द फार्मर to start with more cash than before. Right, in modern farming method we need more cash, and in traditional method we need, traditional seed we need less cash. And suggested activity like during your field visit, talk to some farmers to your region and find out what kind of farming method, what kind of farming methods they are using, like modern farming methods, traditional or mixed. Do the farmer use? Write a note on this. And what are the sources of irrigation they are using, and how much of the cultivated land is irrigated? Very little, nearly half, majority, all. From where do farmers obtain the inputs that they require? From where do farmers obtain the input that they require? The first, farming in Palampur. Farming in Palampur is based on following factor. The first factor is land is fixed. In Palampur, 75% of populations are depend on farming in Palampur, and land area under cultivation is also fixed. There has been no expansion in land area under cultivation since 1960. And the second, we have studied that change in method of cultivation, or you can say, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Is there a way one can grow more from the same land? That is multiple cropping and modern. There are two methods for this. Multiple cropping and modern farming are the method of cultivation used in Palampur to increase the production from land. To increase the production from land. That is, first is multiple cropping. First is multiple cropping. Method of multiple cropping is used in Palampur. Cultivation of different types of crops in the same piece of land at same or different time is known as multiple cropping. What is multiple cropping? What is multiple cropping? You can say multiple cropping. Multiple cropping to grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. And second is, you can say, the another definition of multiple cropping is cultivation of different types of crops. Cultivation of different types of crops in the same piece of land. In the same piece of land at same or different time is known as multiple cropping. For example, jowar, bajra growing during rainy season in Palampur. Jowar, bajra grow during rainy season in Palampur. Potato is produced between October and December. Between October and December. Wheat is produced during winter season. Wheat is produced during winter season. A part of the land area is also devoted to sugarcane, which is harvested only once every year. Sugarcane in its raw form or as jaggery. It is sold to traders in Shahpur. And the second is, it is a multiple cropping. We have discussed the multiple cropping. And the second method is modern farming method. Modern farming. In this type of farming, high yielding varieties of seeds are used. As a result, same piece of land produce larger quantities of food grain. As a result, you can say same piece of land, but larger quantities of food grains are there. सेम पीस ऑफ लैंड है बट जो उसमें क्वांटिटीज होंगे, जो ग्रेन्स होंगे वो लार्जर क्वांटिटीज में प्रोड्यूस होते हैं इन बाय यूजिंग हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी ऑफ सीड. बट हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी ऑफ सीड नीड plenty of waters and plenty of water. Second, fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, pesticides. And in India's farmers of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern farming method. Introduction of the Green Revolution facilitated the cultivation of wheat and rice using high yielding variety of seeds instead of the traditional seeds. In Green Revolution facilitated the cultivation of wheat and rice using the high yielding variety of seeds instead of the traditional seeds. The high yielding variety are capable of producing more amount of grain on one plant. Then your homework is that is write the difference between the multiple. What is the difference between the multiple cropping and modern farming method? Multiple cropping and the modern farming method. The next topic is farming in Palampur. The third factor is, will the land sustain? Or you can say sustainability of land. According to a scientific report, a modern farming natural resources are overused. According to a, will the land sustain? क्या land sustain करता है after using the high yielding varieties of seeds? Let's discuss it. Land being a natural resource, as we know, natural resource, land is a natural resource. It is necessary to be careful in its use. Right? It is very necessary to be careful by land को use करना बहुत ही necessary है कि आप carefully land को use करें. Scientific reports indicate that the modern farming method, साइंटिफिक रिपोर्ट्स ने इंडिकेट किया है जो मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स है, हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी ऑफ सीड्स है, हैव ओवरयूज्ड द नेचुरल रिसोर्स बेस, हैव ओवरयूज्ड हो चुका है एंड द नेचुरल रिसोर्स बेस्ड. इन मैनी एरियाज ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन, in many areas Green Revolution is scientific reports indicate that modern farming method से हमने overused किया है अपने natural resource land को. In many areas, Green Revolution is associated with the loss of soil fertility in many areas. By using modern farming method, the soil loses its fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. Also, continuous use of groundwater for tube well irrigation has led to the depletion of the water table. Like साइंटिफिक रिपोर्ट से हमें ये पता चलता है कि हमने लैंड का ओवर यूज किया है. वी हैव यूज्ड द नेचुरल रिसोर्स. वी हैव ओवर यूज द नेचुरल रिसोर्स. And in many areas, green revolution is associated loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. लगातार केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स को यूज करने के कारण द सॉइल लूजेस देयर फर्टिलिटी. ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूज और इन हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटीज ऑफ सीड्स में प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर का यूज होता है. सो वी आर यूजिंग अ ट्यूब वेल एंड ट्यूब वेल डिप्लीशन द वाटर टेबल. ट्यूब वेल ग्राउंड वाटर बाय continuous use of groundwater for tube well irrigation has led to the depletion of water table. ग्राउंड वाटर का लगातार यूज करने के कारण ट्यूबवेल से जो वाटर लेवल है वो लेवल बहुत कम हो गया है. Environmental resources like soil fertility and groundwater are built up over years. Environmental resources, soil fertility and जो ग्राउंड वाटर है और जो लॉस ऑफ सॉइल फर्टिलिटीज है, इन्हें अपनी फर्टिलिटी और ग्राउंड वाटर को अपना लेवल इंक्रीज करने के लिए नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स लग जाते हैं. नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स. वन डिस्ट्रॉय इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिस्टोर देम. वी नो एक बार ये डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाए तो once destroyed, it is very difficult to restore them. It is very difficult to restore them. We must take care of the environment to ensure future development of agriculture. We must take care of the environment to ensure future development of agriculture. Chemical fertilizers provide minerals which dissolve in water and are immediately available to plants, but this may not be retained in soil for long. जो chemical fertilizers हैं, chemical fertilizers are very harmful for soil. chemical fertilizers बहुत harmful होते हैं soil के लिए. वो तुरंत dissolve हो जाते हैं water में and available and plants में mix हो जाते हैं. But these may not be retained in soil for long. लेकिन ये soil में retain नहीं करते for long period. They may escape from the soil and pollute groundwater, rivers and lands. ये ज़्यादा देर तक soils में mix नहीं रह पाते because of they may escape from the soil and pollute. ये स्केप कर जाते हैं सॉइल से और ग्राउंड वाटर में जाकर मिक्स हो जाते हैं और रिवर्स एंड लेक्स में और उनको पॉल्यूट कर देते हैं. केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स कैन ऑल्सो किल बैक्टीरिया एंड अदर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इन द सॉइल. केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स बैक्टीरियाज को भी मार देते हैं एंड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इन द सॉइल. This means sometime after their use, the soil will be less fertile than ever before. The consumption of chemical fertilizers in Punjab is highest in the country. Consumption of chemical fertilizers सबसे ज़्यादा पंजाब में यूज़ हो रहा है. The continuous use of chemical fertilizers has led to degradation of soil health. Degradation of soil health है. And Punjab farmers are now forced to use more and more chemical fertilizers and other inputs to achieve the same production level. This means cost of cultivation is rising very fast. पंजाब के फार्मर्स को बार बार प्रेशराइज किया जा रहा है कि वो यूज़ करें मॉडर्न फार्मिंग्स को. use modern farmings, use chemical fertilizers and increase the productions of their farming. And let's revise something important things that according to a scientific report, in modern farming natural resources are overused, first point. Second, in groundwater, rivers and lakes are polluted by the chemical fertilizers. Third, chemical fertilizers also kill the bacteria, useful bacteria and other microorganisms in the soil, which are essential for the growth of plant, or the fertility of the soil. So today's your homework is write the difference between the modern farming and multiple farming. Modern farming method and multiple farming method, or you can write the difference between a traditional seed or high yielding seed also.